please watch this video, but if it's not so good, then never mind. Okay, let's start reading. It said let's read. Let's start with the it sound. Bed. With. It's not like with or something. No, with is just like the wedding. Yeah. And wit. Bell. Now, let's start with the E sound. He, she, bee. This one is good. C, tea, dream, cream, team, stream, east, feast, beat, heat, seat, repeat, yeast. Thank you for watching this video. This video is kind of short because it see, no more. See, it ends. I was not the one who drew this, and my mom don't really know how to use this program, but I think this is kind of good already because I cannot draw better than this. She did not even use any kind of paintbrush. She did not use the leaf paintbrush to draw the leaf. She drew this by herself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please be sure to like this video and subscribe this video if you like it, and bye!